Since the beginning of my experiments, I have been using golden high flow and golden fluid in the same painting. And now that I'm getting more used to it, I kind of realized, if I want to learn how these different kinds of paints work on their own, well, I'm going to have to try them out on their own. So today I'm doing an experiment with only golden fluid paint. Now I'll be doing black, white, and teal. And I'm really loving this mix, you guys. I'm going to be using only Liquitex pouring medium and GAC 800. No alcohol, nothing else. The only thing though is that these are all thick. None of these are watery. So I will have to add just a few drops of water into them at the end to make them the right consistency. So I'll be working on a 12-inch by 12-inch canvas. And let's see how this goes. So you guys probably saw I dropped a drop of golden fluid black paint next to my cup and I freaked out. I lost a drop of golden fluid. Oh my gosh. So what have I learned here? The golden fluid on its own with the Liquitex pouring medium and the GAC 800 do not create cells easily at all. I didn't even get any. Now this could be a question of color, but black and white are the ones that create cells the easiest together, and nothing happened. So I'm not saying it's impossible, but I'm saying that I didn't get any in this try. So what I did, since I had a lot of negative space, although the painting looked good already, I found, I still decided to spray some diluted dish soap. And I went from far. I find it gives a better result when I spray from far away. You can see that the smallest mist, like it creates super small dots, and the bigger the drop, well, the bigger the cells. And when you drop a drop of like water that's big, it creates those two puddles that are there, which are unwanted, but I cannot control the spray, what comes out. I'd have to maybe buy a better bottle. I'm going to show you guys. This is my bottle. Seriously, it's been through war. So yeah. Anywho, so stay tuned for the dried result. I find it looks kind of cool. Yep, later. Back with the dried result, and it's so smooth. Check out the reflection there. The painting is perfect. It dried exactly the same. I'm in love with these paints, you guys. Oh my gosh. And check out like those cells on the right there. Don't they look like the cells that people who use silicone kind of get? I find. I see those kinds of cells everywhere. Loving the negative space, and oh man, that action in the black there. Super excited. Love this painting. Hope you guys like this. Sorry for my crappy wall around. Have a good one.